On the 13th of August 2022, in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, Officer Dan Duffy initiated a traffic stop on South Wilkes-Barre Boulevard after his license plate reader flagged a Mercedes sedan for suspended registration. In the rear seat was Darlene Duggins-Magdalinski, chairwoman of the city's own police advisory committee, the civilian body tasked with overseeing that very department. The encounter raises a rare legal question. Can a civilian oversight official invoke her role to avoid enforcement? The law answers clearly, no. Under Whren v. United States, 1996, any observed violation justifies a stop. A license plate reader hit for suspended registration meets that standard, and the machine cannot see race before it triggers. The profiling claim fails under United States v. Armstrong, 1996, which demands both discriminatory effect and discriminatory purpose. An LPR-initiated stop forecloses both.
How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm okay, how are you? I'm Darlene.
You own the car?
I do, yes.
Here's what happened. I was parked up on the median. You see where I park up there or no?
Yeah, I do.
We have license plate readers on the car. It hit on your plate as being expired and suspended due
But it's
to
not.
insurance.
It's really not.
No, what I'm saying is it says suspended due to insurance cancellation.
Right.
But it is expired 7/22 last month.
But it's not.
You got it all
you talking about, with this, what?
Plate.
Yeah, what happened is my car, and they're trying to handle that. I went to court for my registration. I can't get it inspected until they.
Oh yeah. I'm not even worried about the inspection.
Right.
It's the plate that it hits on.
Right, but what I'm saying is I can't do anything until as far as with that, because I haven't insurance.
You have insurance?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay. Or you have it on your phone? Most people do now, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
She don't. I had her driving. Yes, she does. I had her driving because I normally drive. You want my license?
No. You don't have your license on you?
She doesn't. No. You want my license? I was going to give you license. Okay.
What is your name, ma'am?
Fatira.
A-T-I-R-A-H.
And what's your last name? Hold on a second. Go ahead.
I'm assuming you saw that was suspended for insurance?
Yeah, 10-4. I'm sorry, your last name?
Okay, it's expired.
The license in Pennsylvania?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you have your insurance?
Yeah, hold on 1 second. Hold on. Matter of fact, let me just. Hold on.
Did you change companies or something?
Yes, first of all, yes, I changed companies because I'm with Glazier now.
Who were you with?
I was with Unison.
So here's what happens.
Okay.
When you leave one company to the next, the old company sends a letter saying they don't have insurance with us anymore. New company is supposed to send something and update PennDOT.
Well, what they did, this is what it was. We had an issue in December with my license saying that I didn't, with what you're saying. I went to court, and obviously with the Department of Transportation, they proved that obviously Unitron was wrong. That I've never ever lapsed in my insurance. You get what I'm saying? So what happened was, it's crazy because they fixed one car, which is, if you look at my Nissan, I have a Nissan. If you pull up my Nissan Sentra, matter of fact, sir, if you look at my,
so do you have,
if you look at my Nissan, yes.
Do you have any paperwork or any information from PennDOT that shows that
I actually do, but it's at home, but it shows on the one vehicle, so you're not going to have it on one vehicle, not on the other.
Why don't you pull up your insurance for this, though, so that way I can verify. That way I can verify that you have insurance for this. That's my biggest concern.
Is that locked? Turn that off. And
the plate being expired is minor. No insurance is something I'm concerned with.
No, I have it. I'm just trying to pull up my email.
Okay.
Because I had her send me the card.
Sure.
I just got this phone, so please forgive me.
Okay.
And Sergio, you know how to pull that key out and then unlock. Just hand me the thing right there. No, at the bottom. Just relax. Here. All right.
That's for driver's license or identification.
Right.
There's the registration. Let's see that.
Relax, baby. Relax. It's okay. It's okay.
You can do whatever you have to do with it. What do you gotta do?
You gotta taste it.
Yeah, do what you gotta do. She's gonna take care of the kid.
I know, Mama forgot. Just relax, baby.
All right, so you pull that up, and I'll be right back. Okay.
Sure.
Actually, once you pull it up, just show it to that cop right there. Say again. Yeah. What do you need?
Can you just, sir, would you mind turning 10 for a minute? Oh, okay.
What's up?
Okay, I'm having like a little skittish. I've been a little skittish.
What's the matter?
I'm dealing with a lot of things with the courts right now.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, my
Are
anxiety.
you wanted?
I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Relax.
And
Okay.
I know how certain things works. Like once you run somebody's names, if it is something out, I've already been through this twice.
What happened?
I was actually driving my baby father's car, and he didn't have his registration and stuff, and actually had to go to court for that, and I actually took care of that. And
So
I'm paying
what
a
other
fine.
court case do you have out right now?
So I'm paying fines.
Don't worry about it. Listen, just relax. You'll be fine. Hey, this is your real information, all right?
Yes, I'm just.
Hey, relax, okay? You'll be fine, all right?
Hey, how are you? I'm okay.
What do you got?
Hold on. I just got this phone, so.
All right, show it to him once you get it. Give me a second. Okay. $670 counting.
Standing by.
I cut and pasted some information in there if you just want to confirm that. You guys have a copy? How'd you make out the insurance?
Believe me, I have it. I'm trying. This is a new phone.
Did you sign in your email?
I'm on, but it's mixed. It looked like it mixed Google with Yahoo.
Have a Google?
Okay, just download the Yahoo.
Do you know your password?
Yeah, like.
Okay, so go to the internet and then type it down there. And then just log in.
77.0. Go on and notify them, and did you fax over the kid? Somebody is, I don't know which one's going.
Section 1371, suspended registration. Section 1543, suspended license. Section 1575, owner liability for unlawful operation. Section 1786F, the 5-day insurance safe harbor that ultimately dismissed the heaviest citation. No statute, no charter, grants oversight members any roadside immunity. Under Graham versus Connor, civic titles are irrelevant to the analysis.
What's the address that you want?
I'm actually at 37 Lincoln
Let me jump behind Stan. 37 Huh? Let me follow Stan. He doesn't need your problems. That's what he just said.
701 account.
He's good.
Proceed. Yeah, it's not Richard. He's negative 46,
So you're going to receive citations, okay,
For what?
correct.
for vehicle code violations. You have
What
a,
vehicle code violation?
can I talk?
I want the
You
gentleman
have a
right
suspended driver driving your car. You have an unregistered vehicle.
Okay.
You have no proof of insurance. You have a suspended plate. You have window tint. Okay.
Let me tell you something. I've been driving around with this car. I don't know how long.
Okay.
You're trying to fuck with me, and I'm not
Not
gonna go.
one
So
bit.
whatever you need to do, you do
Not one
it.
bit.
Whatever you
Just
need to
make
do,
sure
whatever you
you
need
don't
to do,
review
like
me.
you said, we right here.
That's
so
right.
whatever you need to do, you do it.
Absolutely.
So go ahead and write
Your
whatever you need to
position
write.
isn't going to get you out of
Listen,
trouble.
listen.
No way.
I'm not even worried about it. But your position, you're gonna get your ass fired. That's what's gonna happen.
Remember that.
That's what's gonna happen.
Remember that.
That's what's gonna happen.
Okay, you can tell it.
Period.
All good?
Period.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Say whatever you see. You want to be cocky. You want to be cocky.
No, I just don't
But
like when
it's cops
people try
like
to
you,
use their
it's cops-
position.
No, I don't have to use my
Yeah,
position.
you do.
I've never
Listen
done
to
it.
you.
You
Listen
know, you
to
better ask your boss.
Yeah.
You ask
I'm
your
going
boss.
to. I'm
You-
gonna have it in
no, because
writing.
when I get
It's gonna be
home,
in writing
when
for
I
them.
get home, I'm calling them.
Call them now.
So I'm gonna pull your fucking tape, and like I said,
Absolutely.
you're gonna lose your job.
Okay.
Because you got me fucked up.
Okay.
Anyway, go ahead.
Have it towed over to your house and get you money. Or come back to the shop and you can come in on Monday and speak to the van.
And then what's gonna be the charge for that?
That I
Are you open tomorrow as well? But can I pick it up?
But the manager's not back Monday.
Yeah.
But you can
701 account.
Yeah. But if I get it told today, it's $200.
if you want some time to figure out,
Just tow it to my house, I'll pay the $200.
041 email from this location back to Rite Aid. Starting at 65376.5.
The citizen advisory board for the police or
Yes,
something.
yes.
We're supposed to be reviewed by her?
You'll see her, and you'll see my case in the two of the seller. You'll see that she's
Oh, I
she's
ain't
in our
standing
system.
on this one. It's like,
No,
no way.
she's in the system. We made her look bad.
Yeah. Well, she makes herself look bad. It's ridiculous.
That's recorded live.
Oh, here, I'll give you a business card. Here, you get here. No, look at.
What's your
No, you
what's your
take that right
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
There you go.
yeah.
You give. Oh, no, come on.
You want to be an asshole.
Yeah.
You want to be an asshole. Listen,
Tell the
the
chief
damn
on the
sure
phone
is.
now.
Listen. Don't even worry about it. Thank you. I appreciate it. He gonna be Mr. Cox.
Yep.
Your ass gonna be right on the motherfucking news.
Yeah, bring it.
You gonna get it right in the
Bring
motherfucking
it.
truck.
Yeah, there you go.
Asshole.
Review committee.
Listen, guess
Nice.
what?
Out of the road.
Guess
Out of the road.
Guess what?
Get out of the road.
Guess what? Your ass, I bet you gonna have your fucking job back.
Okay. I'll hold you to it.
Fuck you.
Review committee. That's a good one. Bye-bye.
Why hasn't it ever panned out?
Watch that play hit now.
Why hasn't that ever panned out?
I have no idea. I don't know. Well, maybe because she's on it. That could be one of the reasons. Duffy's gonna be, I'm gonna lose my job, be on the news. Yeah, okay.
Pushing my stuff up, but I don't know if you're coming back to give me some more nasty.
Oh, I'm keeping mine on the whole time here before I go. You know what I'm gonna say? I'm not even gonna write anything. I'm gonna do my tow report. I'm gonna send a thing saying, just reviewed a body camera. End of story.
Officer Duffy. A-. Lawful stop, proportionate enforcement, textbook de-escalation. Deducted only for a post-stop aside captured on camera. Miss Duggins-Magdalinski. F. Not for the minor traffic offenses, but for weaponizing an oversight position against the officer enforcing it, then filing an unsupported profiling complaint. Her own committee voted her out. Fatira Duggins. C. Cooperative at roadside, reckless in the choices that led there. The city of Wilkes-Barre. A. Transparent release. Independent investigation. Self-correction. 6 lessons every party can take from this case. For officers, the camera records the entire shift, not just the confrontation. Discipline your words after the stop as carefully as during it. For oversight officials, your authority exists to evaluate conduct, never to escape it. Invoking position at a traffic stop destroys the legitimacy you were chosen to protect. For drivers, keep proof of insurance accessible and know the 5-day safe harbor. Never let someone drive your car on a suspended license. Section 1575 puts the fine on you. Comply at the scene. Challenge in court, not on the shoulder. For the public, unedited body-worn footage is the most reliable record of any stop. It protects officers and citizens alike. For institutions, credible oversight requires the courage to discipline your own. Release the footage, trust the record. And a final principle, accountability is a two-way street. The same cameras that hold officers to account hold the public to it as well. Comment below with legal topics you would like us to cover. Thank you for watching.